Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. How is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. So I'm moving forward to another DIY. Most maybe there's 2 more or 3 more DIYs that I want to share and then want to show you what I'm going to do. Now, this is my DIY Easter 11. I'm going to use this wreath from the Dollar Tree, and I got some fern plants from the Dollar Tree, and what I'm just going to do is just adhere this here, and I have a burlap cloth here, or a burlap type of wraparound, and I'm just going to wrap this around over here and make it as my carrot. This is as simple as that. That's for my DIY number 11. Now, for my DIY number 12, I am wanting to make, let's set this aside first. So, on to my DIY number 12. Okay, this is my 11, then we'll just change that and make it my DIY 12. Okay, for my DIY 12, this is the type, this is the basket that I'm going to use. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this kind of wreath form. It's from the Dollar Tree. Actually, it does have a design like this that goes this way, or I think that way. I'm not sure, but I took it out, and this is what I'm going to do for the handle. Most probably, I don't know yet. So that's what I'm going to use for the Easter basket. And I'm going to use this rope, this nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. This is the material that I'm going to use. And I'm just sort of going to wrap it, and this is going to be my basket. And I'm going, as for the contents of the basket, I am choosing it what kind of decor or craft material that I'm going to use. I may be using this one, or the bunny rabbit can go this way here in the basket, and some eggs over there, and my big carrot over here, which my intention is to make the carrot go over there, and wrap it around with this nautical rope to make it as a basket. So I'm still deciding what kind of craft material or Easter DIY material I'm going to use for the basket. And I do also have this here that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I am still thinking what possible contents of the Easter basket will have. So that's it. And then I do have some moss that I will also be using. So for my 12, we'll see, it's an Easter basket, and we'll go from there as I process along. And I forgot to tell, I'm also going to use some florals for the basket, and some of the ribbons that I got from the Dollar Tree for the basket, and same as this one. So I will see you in a while when I'm gonna do the carrot first. So this is how my big carrot went. So that's gonna be part of my Easter basket. I just wrapped it around this way. It doesn't matter because this is gonna be also placed in another decor. So this is the ferns that I bought from the Dollar Tree. But this burlap, I bought this in Walmart. And the carrot frame is from the Dollar Tree. Okay? So I'm going to proceed now on my DIY 12. Hi there, this is so far the one that I've made. I already put the carrots, the big rabbit, and the eggs, and I already painted them and put a little blings on them and gemstones. And now I made the basket, the Easter basket. Now we're gonna make it's kind of hard, you can see. just the idea. We're gonna make the handle here, and I'm gonna put some florals here and maybe some moss to make it a little bit rustic look and really Easter basket. I'm gonna put some florals at the back, and then we'll see from there, okay? And then maybe the final reveal. Here is the final reveal of my Easter basket wreath. My Easter DIY number 12. So that is how the wreath turned out. If you could see it there. There is my wreath. And if you see the details, there's my carrot, my eggs, the bunny rabbit, and I placed the basket and my ribbon and some florals. So there you are, guys. I hope you like my Easter bunny wreath. Until my next video, thank you for watching. And if you like this video and this tutorial is helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching and bye for now.